Hi, and welcome to the ECM2 video tutorials for the 911 Emergency Call Manager for Android phone. Setting ringtones. Go to the status page and select your station. Select station tones from the pop-up. In the list, select custom incident tone. Select a tone from the pop-up list. Click OK. Now let's set a custom distribution tone. Select a different tone from the pop-up and click OK. Now let's set a custom emergency note tone. Select a different tone from the pop-up. Once set, click OK. The connectivity error dialog feature. In the event the app is unable to download an incident from ECM, the user is alerted. The user can change the ringtone and volume of the alert. Thanks so much for watching. You can find more of these how-to videos on ECM2 products right here on this channel.